everybody, it's Christina, Maggie's sister, and I'm on to share with you guys a beautiful Hermès shawl that I picked up yesterday. It's a pattern that I have been eyeing for over a year. It's called Shawl Punk, and it's by the artist Daisuke Nomura. And I just think it is so cool. It's a little bit edgy, as the name would connote, because it's got like the punk in it. But it is also traditional in that it has one of the traditional Hermès themes of horses. So I think cheval might stand for horse or something like that. And the mane of this horse is like all up, standing up like a punk hairstyle would be. And this is from the men's collection. And I don't know if some of the ladies out there don't bother to look at the men's collection, but I think it is a treasure trove over there. This is cashmere and silk, 70% cashmere, 30% silk, like the women's shawls are, but it's 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters as opposed to 140. So especially for those ladies who are a little more petite, this can be a great alternative. Now, I really was concerned that this colorway was going to be too dark. It's got navy and gray and some ebene, I think, some black. I think this colorway is actually called marine, grease, and taupe. So it's got very luxe, beautiful colors in it. And blue or navy is actually, it is my favorite color. And they had another colorway in this that was the turquoise, marine, and grease. And I was really eyeing that one for a long time, but I ended up getting another scarf, a retired pattern. I got the Tigre du Bengal in that turquoisey color, so I didn't want to have two scarves that were too close in colorway, even though the pattern was completely different. And I just absolutely fell in love with this plaid here. I just think it looks so, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of the trip that my sister and my niece and I took to Ireland and Scotland 5 years ago. And I think all the symbols here, all the charms or badges, I think that's what they called it, along the horse's neck are so cool. This is, I think, the Hermès sign or Hermès, but it's also, I think, the medical sign in the US. And it says Paris calling. This says elegance is not dead. This one, I believe, just says horsepower. It is so, so cool. I absolutely love it. And I was really pleasantly surprised. My SA ended up ordering this for me from another boutique. And you can still get it online, but I wanted to continue to build up my profile, my shopping profile with my SA, so I asked her to get it for me. I believe in the US there are 3 colorways that are still available online. The others I think you have to find in boutique only. And I recently realized that in a lot of the European websites that this was no longer available. You had to find it in the store. So while I was kind of waiting for our trip to Paris, I thought, I don't want to miss out on this pattern. So I ended up going ahead and getting it through our SA, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to share with you some pics, some mod pics with this on, so you can see how beautiful and how versatile this pattern is. I absolutely love the weight of this. It's warm enough with the cashmere so that it really can warm you when you're chilled in over air-conditioned rooms. Here in the US, it's summertime, and it is consistently in the 90-degree weather range. So this is perfect for that, but it's also really lightweight. So, it won't make you get sweaty super fast if you are going from air-conditioned to unair-conditioned places. And I just absolutely love this. I think it's so sophisticated. The colorway is not as dark as I thought it was going to be. And, I have high hopes one day of getting a beautiful gray Hermès bag. So hopefully this is, putting out into the universe the fact that I want either like a Tane or a taupe or graphite kind of color for a bag, and I think this would just match perfectly with it. And I think this is so versatile. Isn't that beautiful? Anyway, I'm super excited about this men's shawl. Thanks for joining me, and I'm going to insert some mod pics here.